Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in additional of the weekend edition. The weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, August the 24th, 25th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday, August the 25th. And I've already solved in this additional two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one, the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. Number 9153. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.